Hey guys, it's me, Rapture. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crafts to the World, which will soon be changing to Fairy Doll. So I want to show you one of the coolest things I've ever seen, and it's the snow in Canada. As you can see, it's like it's freezing outside. It feels like it's minus 20, or no, minus or negative 100 or something. But my hands are freezing, and if you didn't know, I'll be posting a really cool video soon. I'll show you how to bake. I might show you how to bake a cake, or I might show you how to bake pancakes and more different stuff. So, and I might do another slime challenge. So here you can see, oh my god, it's so cold. I'm literally holding an umbrella because of the camera, and you can see the umbrella, but oh my gosh, so cold. My hands are freezing, and I'm gonna go inside. Alright guys, so I'm kind of inside, but not really. So my roof, as you can see, I didn't want the camera to get wet or something, so I just stood in below the roof. So as I told you, I'm changing my channel's name, and I will also be doing so many different things like hairstyles. So if you're looking forward to one of those DIYs, or I would say activities, you can always go to my channel and look at the new posts. So that's all I wanted to tell you.